Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale an online business using automation, full tutorial step by step clearly. First, identify your business processes that can be automated. Look for repetitive tasks that consume valuable time and resources. Next, choose the right tools and software that fit your business needs. Automate your email marketing by implementing an autoresponder. Set up a series of emails that nurture your leads without manual intervention. Then, streamline your customer support using chatbots. Chatbots can handle common inquiries, freeing up your team for more complex issues. Integrate a customer relationship management (CRM) system to manage client interactions. This helps you maintain a centralized database for better communication. Consider using project management tools to automate task assignments and updates. This keeps your team aligned and ensures deadlines are met. Implement automated analytics tracking to monitor your key performance indicators. This data can guide you in making informed business decisions. Next, evaluate your e-commerce platform for built-in automation features. Automate inventory management to avoid stock issues and manage orders efficiently. Schedule social media posts using platforms that allow automation. This ensures your content is consistently published without manual effort. Utilize payment gateways that automate invoicing and transaction confirmations. This enhances your financial operations and improves customer experience. Invest in a reliable website analytics tool to automate reporting. This provides insights into your traffic and conversion rates without extra work. Finally, regularly review and adjust your automation strategies. Ensure they align with your business goals and adapt as your business grows. By implementing these steps, you can effectively scale your online business through automation. Start automating today and watch your efficiency soar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.